My name is Samsung. Along with my wife Ellie, we are the founders of the Dumpling Feast of Spokane. And this year, we are teaming up with Northwest Winterfest and Max at Mirabeau to host the second annual Dumpling Feast here. In the pork and shrimp dumpling, besides the main ingredient pork, napa cabbage, and shrimp, these are the secret spices we use to flavor them up. We have oyster sauce right here, and sesame oil, so chicken bouillon or chicken paste, and we have egg. This is another key ingredient, which is the 5-spice powder, and then you have the vegetable oil. So those will add lots of flavors to the pork and shrimp dumpling. We have 3 different kind of fillings. This one is the vegetable type. For those who don't eat meat, you have the option of bok choy, fresh shiitake mushroom, ginger, the potato noodle, and this is the vegetable filling. Okay, now I'm making my personal favorite, which is beef with celery. So there's a ground beef. We have the green onion and garlic puree or mixture here. And now I'm going to add celery. And later on, we'll make more celery, and then the other all spices together. And you can wait for the delicious Sam's favorite beef and celery dumpling.